For this week's crafting experiment, I was trying to add a self-scratcher to my cat's cat tree. This is one of those corner ones that you buy from Amazon or at the stores and that have some type of tape behind them. Unfortunately, mine was really not strong enough to stay up on the wall, and I was afraid of getting a better quality one because then I would then mess up my walls. So I was kind of like in between, like what do I do? And I decided to add it to this post that my cat never uses to scratch on because for whatever reason she's just not interested. She uses the one on the other side. So I figured maybe if I put it here, she could do some self-scratching and this would get used instead of just sitting on a pile somewhere. So all I did was grab some yarn, tie it at the top, at the bottom, and knot it. So we'll see how she reacts to it. And if you enjoyed this little DIY, be sure to subscribe because my mom and I create all types of DIY videos just on the daily life, which often has to do with our pets.